Jake, what'd you see, what'd you feel, and what are the Rams saying after this night?
Well, they're saying that there were two defining moments of their season, and both of them happened right here at State Farm Stadium. Phoenix has seen the Rams at their worst all the way back in Week 2, and now at their best as they advance to the next round of the playoffs. But back in mid-September, it was Week 2 of the year, and the Cardinals beat this team by 31 points. The Rams learned from those mistakes, and here they are now. Advancing to the next round, they'll take on the Eagles next. Two defining moments of the season, but the Rams also say that everything in between is what helped them get to this point, like starting the season 1-4, like overcoming significant injuries on both sides of the ball, like staring a raging wildfire in the face and having to evacuate their home. For the Rams, it's adversity they had no choice but to embrace, and tonight it's adversity that they've overcome.
I think you can feel it more than anything I could say. There was just, they had a look in their eye. They had a focus, the right kind of urgency and enjoyment that we always try to strike that perfect balance, Kirk. And I was just proud of them. And I think you could just feel it. You could feel it in warm-ups. There was just an aura, with everything that's gone on with our community, everything that these guys have gone through. I thought they epitomized and they represented the city the right way.
So many people have gone through, like this week has just flipped their lives upside down. But they sacrificed to, financially, sacrificed their time in the midst of all this stuff to come to Arizona to cheer us on. It's a really cool thing, and we talked about it all week. We have an opportunity to do something special, provide something of value for people that are going through some really hard times, and so to pull that out the way that we did there, it means a lot.
The Rams knew they'd be coming out playing with energy tonight. The question was it going to be good energy or bad energy? Because too much of it, of course, can be counterproductive, but they channeled it in the most positive way possible. I thought quarterback Matthew Stafford said it best. He said they had every excuse in the book to come out flat, but instead of playing for just themselves, they played for everyone affected by the wildfires in Southern California.